Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Samsung Solar remote control. Only do this if it's not working properly. So to reset it, we have to hold down this return arrow, this back arrow here, and the middle enter button for 10 seconds. You will see after 3 or 4 seconds of holding it that the red light will start to flash, then the red light will go out, then you can let go. So I'm pressing them both in now. And there you go, the red light's now on, flashing. Keep holding them, keep holding them. Still got them held. And now can you see the red light has now stopped. So now I can let go. And that is the remote control now reset. You may have to repair it to your Samsung TV again. We're going to do a separate video on how to repair it. Basically, you hold down the return button and the play button here. Hopefully that will have fixed whatever problem your remote control has. Obviously, make sure if you're having problems as well, that it's fully charged. You can plug in a USB-C to charge it if you haven't got much solar. Thanks for watching.